Jumbo everybody, and welcome to this episode of Beth's Best. Today we are at Kidani Village to tour a 3-bedroom grand villa with a Savannah view. Let's check it out. Your home for Disney room tours, guides, and reviews. Hit subscribe and the bell. We are about to go in and tour a 3-bedroom grand villa with a Savannah view at Disney's Kidani Village. You guys who follow my channel, first off, I love you. Thank you so much for watching. But you know how much I love Disney's Animal Kingdom Lodge. So the opportunity to get to tour one of these 3-bedroom grand villas was something I absolutely could not pass up. So let's check it out. Okay, this is room number 7804. The main entrance is located on the 4th floor at Kidani Village. These grand villas are 2 levels, so there's a second entrance on the 5th floor with access to the 2nd and 3rd bedrooms. I'll show you the door later. This is the 4th guest bathroom. So these grand villas all have 3 independent bedrooms and 4 bathrooms. This is the kitchen, fully equipped, everything you could need while you're on vacation. These grand villas at Kidani are 2,200 square feet, so they're absolutely massive, and they do sleep up to 12 guests. It's hard to capture in video really how impressive these rooms are. Floor to ceiling windows, you've got a vaulted ceiling over the living room, and they're just absolutely impressive in person. Tons of light streaming in. There are 2 queen-size sleeper sofas, so that couch does pull out into a sofa bed if you need it. This is the main or primary balcony, and this is a Savannah view, so we're looking at the sunset Savannah. There are also standard view 3-bedroom grand villas at Kidani Village, and they overlook the edge of the Pembe Savannah. So you're going to see some animals in the standard view grand villas, but just not as many. And these rooms start at 75 DVC points per night, and the standard view rooms start at 69 points per night. And we're now in the primary or master bedroom. It's got a king-size bed, a large bathroom with a soaker tub, and access to that main balcony. You guys know how much I love that tile. If anybody knows where I can get that tile to install at my house, please let me know in the comments below. You're going to see the same granite that they have in the other DVC rooms here at Kidani. If you want to check out any of the room tours for the other Kidani rooms, I'll link those above and below. Got a small closet. This is your standard DVC washer-dryer combo right in the hallway where you head up the stairs to go to the 2nd and 3rd bedroom. You're going to see that door on the 5th floor for access for guests staying on the upper level. So there are 2 bedrooms upstairs. Both have 2 queen beds. Each have their own private bathroom, a small closet, and they all have their own balcony. There's also a queen-size sleeper sofa on this landing area here, so you can sleep 2 guests up here. Now we're going to head to the third and final bedroom. This is that landing area where the other sleeper sofa is. Again, this third bedroom is going to have its own private bathroom, a small closet, and access to a small balcony. Gotta love a room where everyone gets their own balcony. Okay, so tell me that 3-bedroom wasn't like Stay's DVC goals. I mean, can't even imagine what that would be like for an entire week, and it's definitely going to be on my bucket list to make happen on a future trip. Now, you guys know that I love Disney's Animal Kingdom Lodge, both Jambo House and Kidani. I mean, what isn't there to love? You get to have your coffee while looking at a giraffe or a zebra. I mean, where in the world do you ever get to do that? You've got fabulous pools, you've got multiple restaurants like Boma, you've got Jiko, you've got Sanaa. Right now in 2021, only Sanaa is open, but we're expecting the others to open soon. You've got multiple bars and lounges. This resort has so much to offer, I can't even stand it. And I have room tours if you want to see the other rooms here for pretty much all of those categories. I've got 1-bedrooms and studios at both Kidani and Jambo. I will put the links for those above and below so you can check those out. Have you stayed in a 3-bedroom Grand Villa? If you have, I need to know what your thoughts were. What was your experience? How did you make that happen? Are you like me and it's just like hashtag goals? If so, put it in the comments below as well. Please hit subscribe, hit the bell, that way you'll be notified when I drop my next video, and I will see you again real soon. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.